Chef Tammy Brawley, and we are here today on Heart of the Home to show you guys how to make a delicious summer dessert. Great refreshing dessert, especially with these lovely fresh Virginia berries in season here. And we're going to start out by melting butter and sugar together in our pan. Want to make sure your burner's a little bit hot. Probably shouldn't be able to get that close to it, so we'll give that a moment. What we're looking for is about 2 parts butter to 1 part sugar. So that really depends on how many berries you're going to have here. So we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that get nice and melted. Shouldn't take very long if your burner is hot. Go ahead and add about a tablespoon or so of sugar. If you find you add a little bit too much sugar and it's a little too thick, go ahead and add a little bit more butter. It's totally fine. You want it somewhat thin, so the sugar is melting here with the butter. Then you're going to go right into your pan with your fresh berries. We've got some gorgeous Virginia blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries here. Here, a nice little sizzle. Of course, berries are delicious to eat by themselves. You don't need to do a darn thing to them. Great with breakfast, great in smoothies, as everybody knows. But I love doing this because I love the taste of it nice and warm. And we're going to top it with some delicious vanilla ice cream. All we're doing is sort of breaking down the raspberries a little bit, maybe breaking down the blackberries. Pick up a nice little glistening color. Oh, there we go. And believe it or not, this is actually ready. So we're going to pop some into a little serving dish. I could have used strawberries if I'd wanted to. I find them to be a little bit big for this dish. That's why I'd rather use the smaller, more delicate berries. And now we've got some delicious vanilla ice cream that we're going to top it with. And feel free to use whipped cream or creme fraiche if you'd like. Totally fine. And there you have it. Easy summer dessert. Didn't take 5 minutes on our stove. A little bit of butter, a little bit of sugar, fresh berries from your garden. And there you have a delicious summer dessert. Sauteed berries with butter and sugar. Topped it with a little bit of ice cream there. I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com/recipes, as well as on Chef Tammy Brawley's website at greenkitchenrichmond.com.